the spectral tarsier. Tarsiers are the only totally carnivorous primates on Earth. They've hardly changed in 45 million years. Their huge eyes can see in even the faintest light. These eyeballs are so wide they can't swivel in their sockets. Tarsiers have to rotate their heads. Their mobile ears can detect the faintest sounds. And their powerful legs enable them to jump 40 times their own length. The family group fans out to hunt. Prey is not hard to find. But the tarsiers must be watchful. For a primate just 5 inches tall, life in the forest is full of danger. The male sounds the alarm, and everyone retreats. Back in their family tree, the senior male and female send out piercing calls. These calls guide any stragglers home, and there they renew the family bonds.